What's going on, guys and girls? So, a quick video I wanted to bring you guys today. I apologize for the wind, number one. I apologize for how filthy this vehicle is. It's still somewhat rain season here in the state of West Virginia, and it's just impossible to keep vehicles clean, especially when you live on a road like this. But, guys, I ended up installing running board lights on my Durango. I know I said I was done doing everything, but you guys know how that is with me. So, I will never be satisfied until I'm, So, I ended up getting a dual pair of Scepter Super Takedown running board lights from Speed Tech Lights. You can see they are installed there on the bottom. This is the 60-inch bars. So they are low profile. They were super easy to install. My hardest part I had in installing these was trying to find a place to drill to run the wires from the cab into or underneath the vehicle. So that was rough. But other than that, further ado, I will show you guys them lit up. So this is my sitting pattern, stage one, so nothing is lit up in the front, right? So this activates my side and the first pattern on the traffic advisor. Okay, so the running board lights are also synced together, so they have the same pattern. I will show you guys what this looks like in the nighttime as well. Excuse me. So we'll just go ahead and skip to my nighttime response mode, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when the vehicle's in drive, because then that will also activate the headlight wigwags. So still that slow pattern. And this will be my fast sitting pattern without the headlight wigwags. All it does is change the visor bars to a faster split half and half pattern, and that's the pattern I decided to go with the fast response for the running board lights. I guess I probably could show you guys the back too. Not bad. But nothing else has changed since the last video. Everything is just the same. But this is where it gets to be pretty good looking. We'll start the vehicle. We're gonna put it in neutral. These Dodges have a safety feature that they are not, the parking brake's still engaged, so the vehicle's not gonna get anywhere. So now this activates our headlight wigwags, and so this is what it would look like the vehicle's in motion coming at you. Ignore my cone there. That's what marks my water meter, so I don't hit it. That's why there's a cone there. So that also activates the rear racetrack and the reverse lights. And very similar for my nighttime response mode. What the nighttime response does, it kills the high beams and only activates the halogen runners, whatever the ring lights are called. Yeah, I think we should call them ring lights. So that's the nighttime response mode. The vehicle's coming at you in drive. The headlights would be on, but they're just ring lights flash. This thing is filthy. I'm gonna take it through a drive-through car wash before I go to work. And then this is the rear pattern for the nighttime. So have it split red, amber. It does a funky pattern, whatever it wants to. Nice and slow. So, hey guys, I'll show you guys what this looks like in the videos I took from last night. Thank you guys for watching. If y'all have any recommendations, if you want to see something else, please let me know. I'll catch you guys later on.